All right, so I know you guys are used to seeing nothing but Nike and Jordan brand in the collection, but woo, when I seen these, I had to pick them up. Today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Saucony ProGrid Omni 9 Footpatrol collab. Let go.
If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man. It ain't trigonometry. You gotta be smart when you shop. Are you looking for authentic? If you aren't, then
hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have a unboxing that is not Nike and Jordan and Adidas related. This is gonna be a Saucony, however you want to call it. But before we get off into this detailed look of these sneakers, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys have been killing it this month, this year, really, to be honest with you, and I appreciate the love and support. Make sure you're sharing the content, notification bell turned on as I go live. All those great things, I would greatly appreciate it. Now, let's talk about this sneaker. So when I first seen this sneaker, I was on the live and I kind of was not checking for it. And I was on my near and I seen it pop up and I was like, man, that colorway of these things is just super fire. So I was like, I'm gonna go for it. Now, if you are looking to cop this sneaker, it is not going for much on the resale market and it's probably depending on the size you're able to get it. But I do want to show you guys the actual sneaker. So here's the sneaker right here, as you guys can see. This is gonna be a Footpatrol collab with Saucony. And just super clean sneaker. I love the colorways. I love everything about this sneaker. And up close and personal, the details go crazy. So let's go ahead and start with this box. All right, as you guys can see right here, we do have a baby blue box. It's that Saucony label right there, as you guys can see, in that kind of hologram color. And then you do have the Saucony branding right here. Here's the size tag. I went a size 12. It's been a minute since I bought a pair of Saucony, so I said, you know what, let me go up a half size just to be on the safe part. But I will talk about sizing with you guys on another video, as I'm gonna do it on feet. But if you need to legit check your pair, there go the size tag right there. Footpatrol logo on the back end as well. Saucony branding on the front end. As we open up this box, it's just gonna have that typical paper right there. No branding on the paper, no quality control sticker, and that is it for the box. Now, as we take a look at the actual sneaker, as you guys can see right here, it's the ProGrid Omni 9 model, and that's what we got. But they have this hints of these teal, bluish, like light bluish, UNC color blue, and then that brown, and then the Saucony logo in like that crystal white, and just some great details and material on this sneaker. As you guys can see right here, we do have the Saucony logo right there. Hints behind it with that black shiny material right here on there. It's almost like a hard patent leather with this netting that's going to be that baby blue leading down to the brown. And the brown is also a netting as well on the toe box, as you guys can see right there. We have black netting on the toe box that's hints around. Is that white? It looks like it's white behind that netting, as you guys can see right there. Only one set of laces that I've seen so far on these things, and they're going to be like a cream off sale colorway. And then on the tongue right here, we do have the Footpatrol logo on the tongue, as you guys can see right there. Super good leather right here on the tongue. And then it does have this little button that clips. As you guys can see right here, that button comes up, and I guess you can like wrap that around the laces with a little bit of writing right here on the tongue. It says Footpatrol for Saucony right there. And then going on the inside of this one, we do have the Saucony name written in there. And then on the left one, we're going to have the Footpatrol logo, as you guys can see right here. Just trying to show you guys. So that is the difference on each sneaker, right? And then as we go on the inner side of the shoe, it's going to be the exact same thing with the same details. The Saucony branding right there on the back end. Omni 9 right there with the back end, follow around that brown. And on the booty just looks really good. We do have that ProGrid with the brown and stuff like that. Super clean sneaker. Saucony branding on there as well, with a little bit of that mint green, teal green or whatever on the top of it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, sock liner is going to be that teal mint green as well. On the bottom of the sneaker, just crazy design. We got a little bit of purple right there, mixed with that cream and the teal and the green and the blues. You know, just super clean sneaker, giving me real big dad vibes when it comes to these things. And I know the comfortability on these things is going to be bananas. The outsole is hints with a little bit of beige, as you guys can see right there. There go that violet purple colorway hitting right there. A little bit of black on there. Just a lot going on in the sneaker, and aesthetically, this sneaker looks really good. Now, again, y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about this sneaker. Again, like I said, the resale is not too bad. So if you're looking for this sneaker, you actually be able to cop it. Or if depending on your size, just go on some different websites online, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to cop this thing for retail. If not, maybe depending on the size, a little bit cheaper, man. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Was this a must cop for you guys? Is this something that you guys wanted to add to your collection? Are you a fan of Sauconys or Sauconys? Or is this just like a big miss for you guys? I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what type. Remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Or with me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got back, we got two, never slack on the crew for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Kicknology.